was very impressed with that song. In fact, he loved it very much. One time he muttered, "That's what it's all about." It's the first song that ever was written about charity, and it was Walt's favorite song. After he died, he used to go up to his old office on Fridays and play it. Very sentimental.
Even we had a beta machine, that's how old. But you know, he was certainly the first one to do that. And he commissioned these incredible brother composer team, the Sherman brothers, to write the music to Mary Poppins. And actually, I'm working on my own movie musical right now, writing one with Bob Sherman's son, who's here tonight. And I just want to, where are you, my darling Sherman?
We're in the corner.
Yep. The story goes about this song from Mary Poppins that on Fridays, Walt would walk down to the Sherman Brothers office and say, "Hey, you know, just play it. Just play it for me." And Dick would sit down and they'd play it, and Walt Disney would say, "That's what it's about." So I sing this for the Sherman family.